Baby Doll Love here. Welcome to my nursery today. Today is Twinsy Tuesday, and I am doing Beach Day Babies Twinsy Tuesday with the YouTube channel Ella Bean. So please check out her channel. It's a wonderful channel. She has beautiful babies, and we are twinning. This is my Tallulah, and she's a full vinyl toddler, a crawler, and she's the Lili-Marlaine sculpt, and Ella Bean's new crawling toddler is Savannah, and she's full vinyl as well. So we wanted to do a Twinsy Tuesday, so please check out her channel. And Beach Day Babies, I've got my Tallulah here on a beach towel, and she is wearing a really sweet bathing suit. It's got a mermaid's tail on it, and then I gave her a sun hat, and she's got her shades in her hand, and the other hand she has a little mermaid toy. And on the towel she has a little basket full of toys, and there's a rubber ducky. And over here we have a little mermaid bib with her orange juice. Here are her little sandals, and here is another big mermaid toy that she brought. And Tallulah wanted to wear this necklace. It has a mermaid and a seashell, but I took it off her so she could go in the water. So Tallulah is having a wonderful day on the beach, twinning with her American cousin, Savannah. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you coming by for a visit. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye from Baby Doll Love. Bye-bye.